So you're done with cleaning the old way and ready to embrace the future? But is this what the future should look like? Introducing Neabot, the robot cleaner that lets you take a back seat and relax with stronger suction power. Automatically boost the suction power on carpet. Multi-level suction adjustment. Better home mapping. Automatic waste disposal. Then resume its task automatically and easy cleaning. You can set specific cleaning areas or no-go zones through the app. And truly rest easy. Uninterrupted. Neabot. No more dust, no more manual disposal.
Hi, nice meeting you. I'm Deebot Ozmo T8, pioneered with TrueDetect 3D technology. I can detect objects as small as 1 millimeter and identify the obstacles instantly and precisely. TrueDetect 3D enables me to deliver powerful cleaning without collisions. Brand new True Mapping laser-based navigation technology maps your home for 2 times the coverage and 4 times the accuracy. Precisely displays the map on Ecovacs Home app. 3 levels of suction power, from the carpet to the floor. No dust will be missed. With the revolutionary Ozmo Pro mopping technology, you can enjoy the high-frequency vibration mopping power and say bye to stubborn stains on the floor. And more. The multi-floor mapping technology maps every floor of your home. Deebot Ozmo T8 senses everything, cleans everywhere. 2020 Grand Launch.